bam! Did I scare you? I've got $1 million for you. I literally do. I got $1 million for you right now. I got 100 G's. I got 10 G's. I got at least 1,000. 1,000's way too low. At least 10 G's for you right now. And it's so easy for you to get this if you even work in the zip code of sales. And nobody is talking about this except us on our Easton University lives. And that's this, raising your hand, okay? Forget your whole sales process that you're learning here. Don't forget it. It's awesome, okay? It's helping you close deals. But forget all the creative stuff. You can uncreatively make an extra 10 G's, an extra 100K, an extra $1 million just simply raising your hand. Find people that are your ideal prospect, okay? Call them. Don't be a lazy ass. Don't email them. It still will work on an email, by the way, full disclosure. The stuff I teach just is that good. But it's going to work a lot better if you call them. Just call them. Hey, Rick, Matt Easton, founder of Easton University. You and I are connected through the Chamber of Commerce here in Houston. Hey, I just wanted to raise my hand, let you know I'm out here. Anything you guys need in terms of sales coaching, or if you want to bounce an idea off of somebody, or you have an idea that you need a second opinion on, I am happy to help. I live and breathe sales coaching, and I'm happy to help you whether you're a client of mine or not. I'm on my mobile anytime, 720-660-3202. Take that little script and modify it for what the hell you do. If you're in mortgage, you could spend the whole rest of the day calling real estate professionals and going, hey, I just wanted to raise my hand, let you know I'm out here. Anything you need in terms of getting your deals financed, in terms of helping your buyers get qualified, even if you're already working with somebody and you just want to bounce an idea off of or need a second opinion, I am happy to help you whether we're doing loans for you or not. I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3202. Guys, it really is that freaking easy. Just raise your hand. Here's another thing you can do to raise your hand if you're like, yo, I need some money for presents, okay? For myself or for your kids or whoever if you're nice. But even if you just want money for yourself, right? Call your existing client base. Call your previous clients. You're not, smell that? Nah, you're not doing commission breath. Your breath smells awesome and fresh. You're not saying, hey, I just wanted to check in with you, see if you wanted to buy anything because you're a customer and I need some money because I'm trying to buy a brand new Porsche for myself. You're not sounding like that. Hey, was thinking about you guys today. I just wanted to raise my hand, let you know I'm out here. Anything you need from me or the team, we love working with you. Even if it's just to get a second opinion or you got an idea off of something, deal me in. I'm here for you 100%. I'm on my mobile anytime. You can call me, text me, whenever you like. 720-660-3202. Y'all, it is this freaking easy. You're just not doing it because I don't know why. We make our job too damn hard, right? Like we're too busy spamming people with email white papers. And if I could have 5 minutes of your time and I'd like, just call people and let them know you're freaking out there with no agenda. Obscurity is your biggest problem, not your comp plan, not your competition, not the economy. That is not your problem. Your problem is the people that need stuff from you don't know who you are or have forgotten about you. And if you call people regularly to raise your hand without an agenda and be helpful, they'll remember you and they'll call you back. Hey, it's Matt Easton, founder of Easton University Sales Coaching. If you like this video, I think I'm about to become your new best friend because I want to cover the cost for you to get the closing mini masterclass. The $299, I'm paying for it for you. It's free for you. Click the link somewhere around here or simply comment with the word closer. I'll cover the $299. You'll get the closing mini masterclass, make a lot more money, and I'll be your new best friend. I'll see you over in the closing masterclass.